The daily highs and lows indicator is provided for various platforms on the TradingFinder website. From this section, you can download the indicator file for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 and run it on the chart. Traders can also read this page to understand how the indicator works. From the Navigator section, we select the indicator file and run the indicator by dragging the file onto the chart. Once the indicator is placed on the charts, it starts drawing the daily highs and lows for us, displaying highs in green and lows in red. Here, our daily high is marked, but our daily low is still being drawn. If our low level is positioned here, breaking this low will shift the price level downwards, and it will display it for us as long as the price moves. In the Settings section, there are options available for us. The first part relates to the daily high, and the second part relates to the daily low, where you can change its color to your desired color. The next section pertains to the theme or custom template of the indicator, which has 4 options: auto, light, dark, and custom. By selecting the auto option, only the colors of the candles change, with profit candles turning bright green and loss candles turning bright red. Selecting the light option applies a light template to the chart, while the dark option selects a dark template. Finally, choosing the custom option allows you to use your personalized template. It holds the template for the chart. I will execute it. Here, I select the dark template, changing the daily high to blue and the daily low to green, and then I apply the changes. Here, the dark template has been applied to my chart, with the daily low changing to green and the daily high changing to blue. Well, friends, we have reached the end of this indicator tutorial. We would be happy to share your comments and suggestions with us in the comments section.